In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail in DaVinci Resolve. We will turn a frame from your video into a clean thumbnail image you can upload anywhere. First, launch DaVinci Resolve from your desktop and open your project. Give it a moment to load. When the project opens, you should see your timeline along the bottom and your video preview at the top. If you have multiple projects, make sure you double-check the name so you pick the right one for the thumbnail. Now go to the Edit page. Look along the bottom of the screen for the word Edit and click it. The Edit page shows your timeline with clips, audio tracks, and the main preview. If you already see the familiar timeline view with tools above it, you are in the right place. Next, scrub through your timeline and position the playhead precisely on the exact frame you want to use for your thumbnail. You can drag the playhead bar left and right, or hover your mouse over a clip and scroll. Use the spacebar to play and pause so you can land on a moment with a clear face, readable text, or strong action. Zoom into the timeline if you need finer control, then move the playhead 1 or 2 frames at a time until the preview shows the perfect image you want. Once you are happy with that frame, switch to the color page. Click the color wheel icon at the bottom of the screen. The layout will change to show the preview in the middle, color controls at the bottom, and the gallery panel on the top left. Even if you never grade color, this page is where Resolve stores still images from your footage. Now right-click anywhere inside the main video preview window and select Grab Still. When you do this, Resolve takes a snapshot of that exact frame. Look to the gallery panel in the top left. You will see a new thumbnail appear there. That tiny image is your grabbed frame, and it stays there even if you move the playhead afterward. Next, go to the gallery panel. Right-click on the still image you just grabbed and select Export. The right-click menu will pop up directly over that thumbnail. As soon as you choose Export, a file window will appear so you can set up the image you are about to save. In the pop-up window, type a name for your file. Use something clear like Video Title Thumbnail so you can find it later. Good names matter once you have many thumbnails stored because Resolve will not change this name automatically for you. After naming it, choose where to save it on your computer. Use the folder list on the left or at the top of the window to pick a location. Many people create a dedicated thumbnails folder so all their exported images stay organized and are easy to back up. Now click the Export As drop-down menu and change it from a DPX file to JPEG files or PNG files. JPEG keeps file sizes small and works well for platforms like YouTube. PNG preserves a bit more detail and avoids compression artifacts. Pick whichever format matches how you usually store or upload images. Finally, click Export. Resolve will save the thumbnail image to the folder you selected. You can now open that file in your browser or upload tool and use it as your video thumbnail. You have just learned how to capture a frame in DaVinci Resolve and export it as a thumbnail image. So if this helped you get a clean custom thumbnail, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Resolve tips like this.